Hello everyone, I hope you're all well. Just wanted to make a short video just explaining a few things and what I'm currently doing at the moment. So I'm setting up a sort of free mentorship program that will be totally free, nothing in it, nothing, no cost. I'm not going to try and sell you a course. If it's mainly for people that want to set up a recruitment business or a cleaning business, I'm going to give you the step-by-step sort of process, how to set up, how to get a professional website up, how to get a business email, how to register a company. And also I'm going to show you very quickly how to get your first client. Now, this is for people just starting off. It's not for experienced people. I'm looking to do this with at least 100 people through the course of, the next 6 months, with the goal of tracking how well the businesses do and see if I can actually help people actually start a very profitable business, change their life. I've done it. I've done it multiple times on the cleaning side, and I've done it quite a few times on the recruitment side. Different industries, different locations. I've done it in small towns, big cities. I've also recruited internationally. So it's I can definitely help you. So what I need from you is just drop me an email. We'll either schedule a call, we'll send a few emails. The only thing is I won't be able to help people that are not committed, or it's sort of a pipe dream, because sadly I get often quite a few emails as well from people that just ask questions after questions after questions and don't do anything with it. So if you're dead serious and you want sort of personal touch from myself, which will be in a form of mentorship, so you'll have my WhatsApp number, you'll have my mobile number, you can call me, text me, whatever, drop me emails, and we can stay in touch, long term. So I've got a few people I'm already doing it with. Just to give you some facts and figures, I helped 7 people in just this week gone, and I think 5 of them have already got their own clients. So I've had numerous emails from people that have just watched my videos and got clients, but that's offering the sort of support I'm doing. It's not going to be full-time support. It's going to be, a text here and there. So drop me an email. My email will be in the description below. Let me know if you want me to help you set up. I'm going to give you the step-by-step process. Everybody's needs are very different. So if you've got no computer skills, if you've got no this and that, I'll be able to talk to you and give you a breakdown of how everything's done. So this is, like I said, free service. I'm not going to ask you for anything. The only thing I am going to ask you for at the end, if you've turned into a very profitable business, is some information about your business later on. If you do want to make a donation, we can find a charity which is close to both our hearts, and we can make a donation from there as well, and both our names. So yeah, let me know. Drop me an email. Let me know. Take care.